front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Users and Accounts. Then hit Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager and to add any password, select Add Password at the top. Then input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!